everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get a reward from another player's silent egg grabbing machine and complete the Winter Frost Week 2 quest super easily like this. First, make sure you have accepted the Winter Frost Week 2 quest like this. This quest asks you to collect a reward from another player's silent egg machine. And then next, just visit a member's house. You can visit your friend's house or any other player's house that allows visitor, and then just look for this machine. The machine looks like this, silent egg grabbing machines. Just tap on it, and once you tap it, you will get a reward automatically. And after that, your quest will be completed automatically like this. Super easy, right? And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.